Hi and welcome to Masterclass. Today it's all about replacing the pole fittings when you break them. Now we have a destroyed C-clip. Believe me, the dog chewed this because it didn't break by accident, because it took 15 minutes with power tools and a hammer to break this one for demonstration purposes. Anyway, I'll show you a quick and easy way to replace this. First of all, the C-clips, the end fittings in your poles that are punched in to secure them. So there's a punch mark both sides and they secure the fitting in there. First you'll need a drill with a suitable sized drill bit, and we'll drill out each punch mark. All right, now to get the fitting out of this one happens to be the outer pole, so it's easy to get the fitting out. First of all, we back off our wing nut and we can use the inner pole as a battering ram. So what we do, folks, is we're using the inner pole, we just gently keep tapping. There goes our C-clip, all done, ready to fit the new one. Now, with C-clips, you need to be particularly careful that the C-clip aligns with the wing nut. So if the wing nut is sitting up at 90 degrees, we need to put our C-clip in so it sits 90 degrees the other way. So that way it'll clip on, we can clip it onto our ridge pole and the wing nut will hang down so it's nice and easy to get to and we can tighten it up. Now we have two choices. To re-secure the C-clip, we can put a pop rivet in there, bang, one each side, and it's secure. If you're a habitual C-clip breaker, that'll be handy because it's very easy to drill the pop rivet out again. Or what we can do is use a punch and re-punch the outer metal and secure the C-clip on both sides. I'd recommend the pop rivet, it's so easy, you've already got the hole there ready to go. That is our pole repaired, C-clip replaced. Doesn't get much easier than that. What you will need to remember though, if you actually break the C-clip or the fitting on the inner pole, you'll need a threaded rod or some kind of metal bar to tap the fitting out on some occasions. Same deal again, drill out the little pin marks each side and it'll come out freely. How good's that, folks? Really easy to replace. If you're in a hurry for things like C-clips, the pole fittings, and you haven't got time to get MDC to mail them out to you, etc., you can actually get these at camping stores, BCF, Ray's Outdoors. They do all stock them, so don't be shy to head in there. Just remember, you'll want to know the C-clip size. So generally they'll be 19mm or 16mm. There will be exceptions to that, but know what size you want to go in the pole. For more great stuff like this, follow us on Facebook, get the regular updates on the Masterclass, and get across to our website and check out the full range. Also, we host them on YouTube.